Hi, this is Lou's Clean Eats, a vegan channel, and for anyone interested in gluten-free and sugar-free homemade recipes. Today I have made this delicious, high-protein, skin-nourishing, acne-busting mango soya yogurt with the most amazing skin-loving ingredients. Ingredients like this has really helped me to clear up my own skin, and therefore I want to share with you what's really worked for me and how you too can incorporate foods like this into your own diet. But first, I just want to introduce these wonderful ingredients and how amazing they are for your skin. Firstly, with mango, which is an excellent source of vitamins A and C, which are both essential for healthy skin. Vitamin A helps to reduce wrinkles and blemishes, while vitamin C helps to boost collagen production and protects the skin from free radicals. We have lemons. The active ingredient in lemon juice is absorbic acid, aka vitamin C. Products enriched with vitamin C are great for your skin as they help to reduce acne, soothe inflammation, even out skin tone, and do so much more. Thirdly, we have cherries, which are loaded with other essential vitamins and nutrients that are great for the skin too, including vitamins A and K, potassium, magnesium, and calcium. Next, we have tofu. You won't find isoflavones on the nutrition labels, but they are abundant in tofu and other soy products. Isoflavones, powerful phytochemicals with antioxidant and estrogen-like properties, have been linked to healthier skin and may reduce symptoms in menopausal women. And finally, dark chocolate. Some dermatologists suggest that chocolate with a high cacao concentration has flavonoids, a type of compound also found in many fruits and vegetables. These flavonoids have antioxidant potentials which help to protect the skin. So 70% dark chocolate or higher can improve the skin's hydration, protects it against UV damage, enhances skin texture, and also just promotes a healthier, radiant skin and reducing inflammation and improving blood flow. Now back to the mango lemon soya yogurt recipe. Hope you enjoy. Okay, so add your mangoes, your tofu. I love this organic tofu. Get the softy one, it's super nice. And then you're just going to add your lemon juice, give it a good blend. Make sure it's completely blended through so it's nice and soft. And then we're going to decant. It's so thick and creamy, it's delicious. Add your cherries, as many as you like. Love these frozen cherries, they're super sweet. And my favourite part is warm dark chocolate sauce. This one's actually got a hint of orange essence. I really love that citrusy flavour. It goes super nice with the lemony mango flavour of the tofu yogurt. And yeah, just enjoy. It's absolutely delicious. It really does scratch the sweet tooth itch, but with none of the guilt. So I hope you enjoy this recipe. I absolutely love it. Thank you so much for checking out these videos, and if these are the kind of meal ideas that you like, head to my channel Lou's Clean Eats at YouTube and check out additional recipe ideas. So thanks again and see you in my next video.